Hi! In front of me is REALME GT, now 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, open Settings and click on Display and Brightness. Now you need to scroll down and choose Screen Refresh Rate. Following that, tap on the best option for you. Auto-select High or Standard. I will go Standard, so have to click on it and go back. As you can see, after that, refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!